Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be going over my plans for 2018. This video I am titling 2018 in a nutshell, kind of my overview and things that I have to look forward to this year. So I thought that I would just share it with you guys, seeing as it is the beginning of 2018 here. Before we get into this video, make sure you're following all of my social media. I have the accounts listed right here, as well as one new feature that I have to share with you guys in this video. I am really excited to be sharing it with you. 2018 is going to be a very busy year for Spencer and I, and the first thing I want to talk about is the amount of weddings that we have been invited to this year. We're at a total of 4 right now. So we have my cousin Darren and his fiance Janin getting married in April, and then in July Spencer is the best man for his friend Will, and I am emceeing that wedding, co-emceeing that wedding. And then in September, Spencer and I are both in the wedding for our friends Stevie and Dale. And then finally in October, Spencer's good friend Devin, whom he went to school with, is getting married, so we are invited to that one as well. Here in Manitoba, whenever someone is getting married, chances are they're going to have a wedding social. This is a social gathering event fundraiser for weddings. It's basically a social evening where people come and dance the night away, help support the couple getting married by purchasing tickets for raffles, 50-50 draws, all kinds of fun stuff happen at wedding socials. So we'll have that to go along with every single wedding we're going to, not to mention bridal showers as well. So just for weddings in general, this year is going to be so busy for us. If you guys have been sticking around with me since the get-go, you would know that Spencer and I live 5 hours north of Winnipeg here in Manitoba, and all of these weddings and socials and showers that are taking place are down south, and so we will be doing a lot of traveling back and forth for all of these events going on. Which brings me to my next point that I want to bring up with you guys, and that is the fact that Spencer and I are going to be moving this year. So we don't know exactly where we will be moving, but we do know that it is probably going to be at the end of summer, early fall, time around there. You guys may know that Spencer and I live where we currently are right now for his job. And so our next move is also going to be for his job as well. So right now we are just waiting to find out where we'll be going, which is really exciting. But at the same time, I am such a planner that I kind of need all these things figured out, and I just don't know. And it's kind of driving me crazy right now, but that's okay. It's all part of the adventure, and I am excited just the same. So what that means for us is purchasing a new home. Spencer and I were talking about possibly building one or purchasing an RTM, a ready-to-move home. If that works out, that would be exciting. If not, we'll just purchase a home wherever we're going. So you guys can see everything from packing all of our stuff up into the moving vans, on the road, going to our new place, introduction to the new place. I'm really excited to be sharing this with you guys. Also, fingers crossed, wherever we do end up moving, I will be able to go back to work. I pretty much just sit in front of the camera here for you guys, play with my dog, do some household chores. That's about it for right now, because where we currently live, there is nothing for me job-wise. So it would be really great to be able to get back into the workforce, doing whatever it is I may end up doing. It would just be really nice to get back into the working world. Oftentimes on my channel, you guys will hear me talking about my love for Harry Potter and all things Harry Potter, and just basically how I call myself a nerd. I am a self-proclaimed nerd, and I am proud of it. Anyways, I am really excited for the new Fantastic Beasts movie, Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Grindelwald. It is coming out this November, and I cannot wait. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I love Jude Law, so I'm really looking forward to see how he does as Dumbledore. It should be awesome. I cannot wait. I'm even wearing my Harry Potter shirt right now. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. I got this at Kohl's when I was in the States, and you guys will probably be hearing me talk about it quite a bit just because I'm such a nerd. Next up, my friend Caitlin and I have kind of been planning a road trip. It didn't originally start out as a road trip. We were just gonna fly and then fly back, but then we realized that that wasn't really gonna work. So basically this trip that her and I want to do is drive all the way to Waco, Texas, and back, because that is where Chip and Joanna Gaines from Fixer Upper has their Magnolia World. They have the silos, they have their bakery, and her and I are such huge Fixer Upper fans that we decided that it just wouldn't be right if we never got to Waco, and what better time to do it than 2018? I mean, why not, right? So hopefully that trip will work out. We're not planning to go until the fall time anyways, because like I said, we've got lots of weddings going on. We're going to be moving sometime around then, so it would be really great if it could work out and we could get to Waco. We're going to take a vehicle because that way we can pack it up with all of our purchases, and if we were to fly, like, we wouldn't be able to bring that much back with us, but if we bring a vehicle, we can purchase quite a bit. And I'll have a new home to decorate anyways, and it'll be full of Fixer Upper Magnolia Home products. That's the plan, the wish. We'll see. Next up on my list of 2018 in a nutshell is just furthering my YouTube channel and my social media platforms in general. I have a lot of plans for you guys this year. I've been in touch with a few different companies that I am in partnership with, and one of them I can actually share with you guys right now, and it is these lashes I am wearing. It may look like I got punched in the eyes because my eyes are pretty black, but I have green, dark green, smoky eye going on right now with these lashes. I'll move closer and see if you guys can see them. There they go. So these lashes are from a company called Azarado Cosmetics, and I am really excited to be working with them. The nice thing about them is that 5% of all proceeds that they earn for every single sale that's purchased on their website goes towards cancer research to help find a cure for cancer, which is amazing. I know that cancer touches so many people's lives, maybe not directly, but someone in their family possibly has had it. So I think that that is a really great cause that a lot of people can relate to in one way or another. So I was really drawn to this company for that reason as well. I do have a coupon code to share with you guys to get money off of your purchase of their lashes, and it is Shauna10. I will just put it up on the screen right here for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and use my code at checkout for some extra money off of your order. Just to kind of touch on the subject that I had just brought up was furthering my social media, and that is my new website / blog. It has finally been launched, and that is shaunaemily.com. I will link it down below for you guys so you can go and check it out. I'm really excited to say that it is finally up and ready for you guys. I post weekly blog posts. It is integrated with my YouTube channel, so my weekly videos will also be featured on my website as well. It will have everything from beauty, lifestyle, fashion, travel, everything. So if you guys wanted to go ahead and check out my website, I will have the link down below in the description box so you can go and check it out. I'm really excited for 2018 and what it will bring for me. I just really wanted to film this short, quick video for you guys just to give you an overview of what this year is going to look like. Of course, there are going to be exciting surprises that come up throughout the year, things that I obviously don't know about right now, and so I really hope that you guys decide to join me on this adventure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post weekly videos on Wednesdays. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I think that is it for this week's video, guys, so I will see you next Wednesday. Bye.